Hello children, I hope you're staying well and safe, and I don't mean just from bugs and the viruses that are out there. I mean from that lovely sunshine that we're having, because what do we need to remember to do? Yes, we need to make sure we're wearing our hat and we're putting on lots of sun cream, because that sun is very strong and it can burn, and it's not nice when it does that. So please remember, and especially if you're going into something really cool that might be in your garden, and you could go splash, splish, splash. What's that? Yes, a little paddling pool. So if you are lucky and you have got a paddling pool, stay safe and well, and make sure you put that sun cream on. But thinking about it being a hot, sunny day, the reason I chose the story this week is because I was thinking about cooling down and going into a little swimming pool or a paddling pool, and it makes you shiver at first, doesn't it? But then when you stop shivering, it feels really cool and it cools you down, and it's so nice. Shall we take a look at the book? It's called The Pig in the Pond. The Pig in the Pond by Martin Waddell and Jill Barton. Martin was the author and Jill the illustrator. The illustrator draws the stories, and she drew this lovely picture on the front cover. It's lovely, isn't it? Shall we begin? Are you ready? There's Neligan and the pig. One day Neligan went into town. It was hot, it was dry, and the sun shone in the sky. Neligan's pig sat by Neligan's pond. The ducks went quack, the geese went honk. They were cool on the water in Neligan's pond. The pig sat in the sun. She looked at the pond. The ducks went quack, quack. The geese went honk. The pig went oink. She didn't go in because pigs don't swim. The pig sat in the sun, getting hotter and hotter. The ducks went quack, quack. The geese went honk, honk. The pig went oink, oink. She didn't go in because pigs don't swim. The pig gulped and gasped and looked at the water. The ducks went quack, quack, quack. The geese went honk, honk, honk. The pig went oink, oink, oink. She rose from the ground and turned around and around, stamping her trotters and twirling her tail, and splash. Splash, 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 splash. The ducks and the geese were splashed out of the pond. The ducks went quack, 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 quack. The geese went honk, 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 honk. Which means very loudly, the pig's in the pond. The pig's in the pond. The pig's in the pond. The word spread around, above and beyond. The pig's in the pond. The pig's in the pond. At Neligan's farm, the pig's in the pond. From the fields all around, they came to see the pig in the pond at Neligan's farm. And then Neligan came on his cart. Can you see him? Neligan looked at the pig in the pond. The pig went oink. Neligan took off his hat. Neligan looked at the pig in the pond. The pig went oink oink. Neligan took off his trousers and his boots. Neligan looked at the pig in the pond. The pig went oink oink oink. Neligan took off his shirt. Neligan looked at the pig in the pond. The pig went oink 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 oink. Neligan took off his pants and splash! Neligan joined the pig in the pond. What happened next? Splosh! All the animals joined in. Look at that beautiful illustration. They all joined Neligan in the pond. And that was the story of Neligan's pig. What did you think of that story? Did it make you feel all nice and cool thinking about that lovely water? It did me. But also something else in that story as well. Who's the main character? Yes, the pig. P-I-G. Pig. I wonder if you can think of other words that begin with a p or end with a ig. Let's go with the ig. What rhymes with pig? P-ig. P-ig. Pig. Well, the little pig started to do a little jig when he was getting ready to jump in the water. Jig. J-I-G. Jig. Can you think of other words that rhyme with pig and jig? Maybe you could write a little list with your family. Write a rhyming family list. Pig, jig. What will come next, do you think? And maybe you could draw a picture of your favourite part of the story. I know what my favourite part of the story is, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to wait for your pictures, your drawings to come in, and then I'm going to see if one of you actually happens to like the same part of the story as I do. In fact, I like all of the story, but Jill drew some beautiful pictures, didn't she? And I know which picture I quite like the best. But until next week, can I ask you all to stay safe and look after each other, and whatever you're doing, have fun. And if you're going near water, be safe. And if you're going out in the sunshine, remember your hat and your sun cream. So until next week, I've got to say bye-bye. So bye-bye for now, and see you soon. Bye-bye.